Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix Instagram emojis not showing. First you need to open the setting and then scroll down. Select apps and select the manage apps. Here find the Instagram. And then scroll down and click on the clear cache. Click OK. Then go to the Google Play Store and find the search bar on the top of the screen, and here find the Instagram. Then click on the update if it be here. If not, click on the uninstall and then download app again and go to your account and try to see this problem solve or not. That's all for today. Goodbye.